I think you'll have enough slack to come around a little bit. Oh, look at this. This house is just beautiful. Look at it. That's pretty, ain't it? It's gonna look good when we're done though. It's gonna look real good. Come around to the other side. It's a little bit where we've already started. That's actually nice and clean now. It's starting to get clean. We still got to rinse. Looks like a new house. Don't wait. Go ahead and go to budgetpressurewashingpro.com. Fill you out a little quick quote. I'll get back with you super fast. I do a quote right over the phone. I don't even have to come out to your house. I can get you a pretty accurate quote. Look at this land. This house is for sale, by the way, too. Look at this. Ain't a bad little house. We're getting things done today. This is our third house we're on. Ready for the time to change. Give me a call, 706-339-1821.